lock her down.
Well, I did research.
Just ruined it.
Look at all that, man.
Definitely some spin. Really hate this clutch.
One full turn of more boost.
18.88.
Jesus Christ.
Hey guys. Hey, let's go ahead and not do that. My tuner got back to me, and we've been doing data logs, and he wants us to adjust our wastegate. He wants us to add 3 to 4 turns of preload. We're gonna go ahead and do that really quick, bring you guys along, make some polls, and if you don't know how to adjust a wastegate, internal wastegate, well, here's how we're gonna do it.
We gotta learn first, then we'll show you. Oh yeah, wait, no, we already know that.
We know what to
do. Yeah.
Yeah, we did. All right, let's get to it. We're already getting into this thing. It's a really simple thing to do. That bar you're seeing right there, that's for the actuator to adjust it. Back behind it is a lock nut on this side and the other side of it too. What you do is you break those free from each other. And one's gonna be reverse threaded. This goes for the CST4 at least, but you back those off and separate them, okay? And then you can start adjusting out or in depending on what you're looking for. In our case, we need to adjust out 3 to 4 to add for preload. That's what PD Tuning wants us to do. What you also want to go ahead and do is scratch it up or mark it with a pen or something. As you can see, we have those marks in it right there. That's so you can keep an eye on it to know exactly how many revolutions you're actually spinning it. Just take a 10 mil wrench, break those free, and just start moving it a quarter turn. 6 or 8 quarter turns, because that'll equal 3 to 4 full revolutions for the preload. Lock her down, and then we should be making around like 19, 20 pounds of boost or something like that, and then keep tuning from there.
Yay!
Yay!
I love tight spaces.
Right?
What's up, guys? Now you know.
Now you know. We just backed off the 2 nuts and then adjusted 4 revolutions, just marked it, adjust it, locked it back up. Pretty simple. That's what PD Tuning wants. So now we're gonna fire this thing up and go for a rip. Our tune should be at like 17, 19 pounds for this revision.
I'm not helping you.
Thank you. For this revision of the tune. We're still in the tuning process, but now we're gonna be like sending it, so.
Oh, just so you know, I'm hunched over, not because I'm a because it's cold.
It is very cold.
It's chilly.
And we're gonna data log and hit like bleep miles per hour, so.
Why did you even say bleep?
Content.
Okay.
Let's send it, guys.
We're really stupid. We thought the way to do it, and yes, I'm excited to see your guys' comments about this. We thought that to increase the preload on the wastegate actuator, you gotta increase the length of the rod.
Which would make sense, right? Because so you're pushing the flapper valve open more if it's longer, right? So it increased boost, right?
But now that I just read what I read, it totally makes sense how much we messed up, because when you increase the length of it, that lowers the amount of boost that requires to open up the wastegate, which means it's making less boost. So when you shorten it, it means your turbo has to make more boost to open that flap, which gives you more boost. And we completely went backwards. And now, you want to know what my part that I'm really excited for is? We gotta wait for that turbo to cool down.
Yeah. We went cruising and we're like, all right, let's make boost. And floored, and it's like, all right, let's make boost.
Hey, 5 pounds.
5 pounds of boost, it's like,
that's 15 under where we were expecting to be.
We went the wrong way. I knew that was gonna happen too, damn it.
Why didn't you say something then?
What?
If you knew it was gonna happen, why'd you let it happen?
I thought that was good. I thought that was the right way. I didn't do my research. I just kind of used my common knowledge and.
Well, that makes me feel better because you only told me that you did your research.
Well, I did research. I looked it up, and that's why I found how to adjust it. And they all extended. They were all being wussies like we don't want boost.
Well, I mean, we definitely adjusted it.
So
we're going for an eco build here.
Yeah, an eco build. That's what we did.
Yeah, this guy's over here just coughing.
It's allergies. Okay, I have allergies. It's fine.
You got a really bad time to have allergies. Remember how I was talking about how like it was cold earlier? Well, now it's really cold.
Yeah.
Thankfully, so is the turbo. Okay, now you know.
Okay, now I can talk. Take 2.
Actually, so there's.
Told you I was wrong, right, guys? That's you guys nodding your head. All right.
Just ruined it. We do all the work again, guys. It's hard. I'm working on a truck.
What Tyler's doing right now is he's just backing off the 2.
I'm actually getting stabbed by metal.
He's in a really comfortable position. But he's just backing off the 2 lock nuts that are on the turnbuckle for the wastegate actuator.
guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just we're adjusting my turbo. We're maybe trying to make more boost. YouTube Broken Daily. You want to check it out? Yeah. Broken Daily. Yeah. All right.
Oh, my balls. And my back.
That dude was super chill.
Seem chill.
You can see the bolts are kind of off of it now. So now we're gonna move it inward.
Oh, in order to get it back to the stock spot to where it was at before we messed it up, we need to go 4 full turns tightening it. We need to go another 4 so we can make...
1 full turn of more boost.
Do you hear that?
Whoa, dude. Dude, it's starting to get strong.
Dude, are you guys feeling that? This thing's like moving some air right now. Guys, this is getting serious. So we
I can't hold on much longer.
we just made our 3rd turn. That's a lot more boost. Jesus Christ. Okay, there's a lot of wind coming out of this turbo. We need to shut this thing. All right. Okay.
You
All
okay?
right.
Are
I
you
think
safe?
we're good. I think we're good.
Now we just need to start the car. Yeah!
We're looking good. AFRs are looking good. So now we're gonna go rip this thing. You've been to his channel, right?
You should,
Yeah.
because
Technically, if they wanted to watch your channel, they should finish my video first, but they could probably watch it like right here.
that's true. Oh, you see that?
Yeah, yeah. Hey.
You should probably move that. It's
Yeah.
invading space. I like to try and post covers of songs. I play guitar.
Me too.
We're in a band.
Oh.
I started doing car videos with him. To go check it out.
Do
If
it.
not, fine. I don't want you there anyways.
Don't support my buddy.
There's the boost. Hell yeah! Look at that face.
That was 18 pounds. That was quarter throttle.
I just saw those numbers climb. It's like, yeah!
No knock. AFRs are good. Boost temps are good.
Oh, that's great.
We're not even done with the tuning process.
Not
Like,
even close.
we're still gonna be making more power. It's feeling good.
That felt good. Definitely some spin. He's definitely on this road. Bye. £18.88 of boost. Second watt log. Here we go. That's fun.
I had my motor built at a shop, which is fine.
You kind of have to have it in a shop for that.
And I'm happy that I did. Artem did a great job on this build. This motor's taking it like none other. This is pump gas, by the way. I'm running 91. I haven't done E85 or anything yet. This is still version 1 of the Speed. But yeah, build a drift car, which we'll talk about in a future episode.
I know I've said it 1,000 times, but I'm going to continue to say it. I really hate this clutch.
It's just a 6-puck ACT.
I'm so used to early catches. This does not catch early at all.
So now I get to fill this butt dyno over here. Woo, woo.
Full throttle.
Oh my god! Look at all that, man. I live out here in Salt Lake City, Utah. To you guys, I actually live in Cottonwood Heights, but screw it, it's Salt Lake, I guess, right? We play guitar.
Yeah, I also play guitar.
Yeah, well, I said we.
Oh, yeah, we play guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awkward.
Popcorn?
Something like that. I'm just editing the videos right now, sending off those data logs that we got.
Successful day.
Yeah, definitely.
We definitely learned from our mistakes.
Hopefully you learn too.
Yeah. Yeah, don't do what we did.
Yeah.
It doesn't go well.
Yeah, go the other way. I mean, if you want less boost, like a poser. But, I mean,
Yeah, eco build.
eco build or save your engine, one of that too. Yeah, if you don't have a tune or anything like that, or don't have a built motor, don't sit there and just increase your boost. I have all that, so don't just be like, oh look, I learned how to adjust my wastegate.
Don't put that on us if you break your
Yeah,
motor.
don't put that on me, man. Heck.
This content is for entertainment and people who have built motors.
Yeah, yeah. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and end it off here. I always say it. You don't have to like, you don't have to subscribe.
I'd appreciate if you do, but you don't have to. In the end,
We're
we're just having fun.